Hello everyone, let's quickly understand the Docker commit command. Okay, so let's say example you are running a container and you have done some changes inside that container. Okay, but what you need some new image along with these all changes. So in that case, what you will do, you will basically run this Docker commit command. Okay, so for example, you are running some Nginx container and you have changed the index.html file. So with the your change index.html file, you need a new image. So in that case, what you can do, you can simply create a new image with your running container. Okay, you can just do the changes into the container, and you can basically what you can do, like you can create a new image. So if you take some basic use case, so for example, you want to run Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu container, Ubuntu image you want to use, right? And inside this Ubuntu image, you want to install some tools like for ping command and all those things you want to install it. So what you can do, you can run this particular image as a container, then you can install these particular tools, and then you can create a directly a new image. Then that particular new image you can run it as a container finally. Okay. So that is possible using this Docker commit command. So let's say the example of it. Okay, so what I will do, I will basically pull a Ubuntu image. Okay, so it will pull that image, and if I just do here Docker images, so I have this Ubuntu image. Now what I want to do, I will be basically running this image. Okay, run hyphen dit hyphen name ubu cont, and then I can just give the image name. Okay, so if I just do the docker ps, so this image is running here, right? Okay, if I just do the docker exec-it and such, so if I just do here ls, so these are things are there. If I just do ping, so ping is not present, right? So what I will do is simply install that particular command. So ping install ubuntu, some ipc something tool is there. Okay, so we will do this one sudo apt update first. Okay, apt update we will do. So once this is done, we can just do the apt install iputils. Okay, so apt utils hyphen y we can just give. Okay, so this will basically install the ping. So if I just do the ping google.com, so it will work. Okay, so now in this particular container, my ping has been installed. Now what I want to create a new image now. So I what I can do, I can just do docker commit, and then I can basically give the container id, and then I can basically give the image name like ubuntu. uh, what I can do, I can give change something. Okay, so if I just do this thing, so you need to just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, done. So if I just do here now docker images, so you will basically see that particular image. And now if I just run the instance of this image, hyphen ubo cond 1, and the image name I can just give. So if I just do the docker ps now and try to use this particular image, this particular container actually, and I will check whether ping is present or not here. So if I just do here ping, so okay, ping is showing. Now I can just do ping google.com. So it's working fine. Okay, so in this way you can just convert any container and do the changes and convert it into any particular image. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this particular video. And also if you want to learn docker from the scratch, you can just go through this playlist, it's present on the channel itself. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.